Sun is a prominent wholesale distributor of photovoltaic solutions, serving installers across Poland and Europe. We offer a comprehensive range of high-quality solar panels, inverters, batteries and more, partnering with renowned brands like 𝐊𝐞𝐲, Trina, Huawei, SMA, SolarEdge and Pylontech. One of our featured products is the TSI-6-15K3D inverter by Tigo, a globally recognised leader in module-level power electronics. This 10 kilowatt hybrid inverter seamlessly combines solar and grid power, optimising energy production and guaranteeing reliable and efficient power output. Powered by Tigo TS4 optimizers, it allows for flexible solar system design, ensuring peak efficiency. With a wide MPPT operating voltage range of 180 to 950 volts, it adapts effortlessly to varying solar conditions, enhancing energy capture from your solar panels. Also, its ability to handle an oversized PV array up to 1.5 times its rated capacity significantly improves energy generation. Thanks to a rapid response time of less than 10 milliseconds, it works efficiently with different power sources, including the grid and solar panels, ensuring a stable and uninterrupted power supply. It forms a key part of Tigo's comprehensive offering, which includes the battery system, AC switch and monitoring platform, delivering complete control over your PV system. When integrated with the Tigo Energy Intelligence platform, it minimises manual interference, boosts confidence in system performance, and facilitates remote monitoring and over-the-air updates. Sun offers this inverter both as a standalone product and as part of a complete solution, including the battery and monitoring system for your solar energy needs. At Sun, we prioritise customer satisfaction. Our warehouses are open 7 days a week, providing access to high-quality products at competitive prices. We excel in fast order fulfilment and also offer warranty and post-warranty service for your peace of mind.